Welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today we are going on another grocery trip. Today we're gonna do a grocery haul at Trader Joe's. I'm so excited. Gotta get some more things for the freezer, some of my favorite treats, and some fresh veggies. Let's go get it right now. And I'm taking you with me. Let's go. They have the best treats here. What? So I love going to Trader Joe's. It is insane, like the amount of people that are in that small store. And I think it's like a prerequisite for Trader Joe's to have itty bitty parking lots. Because there was years ago we got into a fender bender even at a Trader Joe's parking lot. It's really tight over there. So, okay, prices. I'm going to keep saying this, you guys, because I feel it. I feel all of you guys. Like, I feel where everybody's coming from. Prices are on the rise everywhere. Like, everything. And it's only going to get more as the prices of our oil go up. So, the gas prices, I just watched it go up 30 cents in the last week and a half. And I bet you have similar stories. So, trying to run home, budget for your family. These are just things that I am showing you, and I'm trying to tell you about the prices, what I'm spending, so that you can see how much food I'm getting. And you can see not very many bags, but that's typical of Trader Joe's. This is $133, and I probably went over a little bit. I was kind of trying to stay around 100, but when I looked at my calculator, I thought it could not be already at $90. So anyways, that's where I'm at today. So let me show you bag by bag what I got. Still the great things that I love at Trader Joe's, and I can't wait to show you. All right, first up, I picked up just some more of these carrots. They were 89 cents a bag, pretty good. Plus they say they're organic, which I love. With those, I just chop them up, bake them at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then season them however you'd like. They are really good that way. In fact, I think we're having them for dinner tonight. Picked up just some more bananas. These are perfect. My local stores do not carry perfect bananas. I don't think they know how. I'm just kidding. But these are perfect. Perfect in a tortilla with peanut butter. Just perfect to have for breakfast. Yum. I also just picked up some more broccoli. Not a ton. This was like a couple of dollars too. So my goodness, that's a little on the pricier side. But that's, we do eat them. If not, I will chop it up and put it in a freezer bag, ready for some stews. Make that food last longer by putting it into the freezer for sure. Okay, I bought this. I love these fresh mozzarella cheese. It's in like an oil with like basil and oregano and all these yummy, it kind of tastes like pizza, honestly. So I'll have like a few of these with like some, like I showed you the grape tomatoes. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. So cute. Mini pearl grape tomatoes. And I'll have it with like just some of these, some cucumber chunk, like just chopped up in like a little mini salad. And when the mozz is all gone out of here, they're like the little ball ones. I might just chop some like string cheese mozzarella and just let it sit in the marinade. Yum. Now I got a lot of things for our freezer. I picked up some fettuccine alfredo for the boys. I know this one's a really good one. So I might add like some sliced chicken, maybe some broccoli into this just to make it even heartier. I almost didn't see this barbecue chicken teriyaki. It's a different bag, you guys. It used to be red. So if you're, going to Trader Joe's looking for a red chicken teriyaki bag, no. But it looks good. It looks great. It's probably less, huh? look at my conspiracies. I would be curious. I'm gonna go look in the back freezer and see if I have one back there and compare the serving sizes, the ounces. Should I go do that really quick? Hold on. Okay, I went and checked, and I didn't have one from Trader Joe's, but I had one from Winco. It was the same ounces, 21 ounces, so it's still okay. All right, I did buy this Kung Pao chicken. Paul and Jonas really like this spicy version. It actually has like these little like chilies in it and stuff. I don't know if they eat that part, but it's kind of got a good spicy kick, and I just leave it for them. And of course, I had to get some more of the orange chickens. These two were $11, so $5.50 each, which is about what it's going for at Winco. Remember, I did tell you they tend to have bigger chunks in here, which I don't mind, but my Ezra, he doesn't love the big chunks to it. Oh well, more for me. No, I'm just kidding. I chop them up. Now we're gonna do some snacks. You guys, some fried ravioli. I have that orangey creamy sauce that is like a tomato creamy sauce. Oh, it would be so good with this. Okay, so good. I picked up, these ones are Kobe's favorite. These mac and cheese balls they're called the mac and cheese bites. They have it looks, oh, okay. I'm like, it looks like it's got ketchup back there. No, it's marinara. It's so good. Delicious. My favorite place though to get it, Cheesecake Factory, but we don't go there very often to get them. So it's like a special treat. And I picked up a couple of these mac and cheeses. Whenever I make them for the boys, Ezra doesn't eat all of his. So it can last for like 2 meals if he wants to. Normally he shares it with me, but good flavor. It's so good. Now, all of those are probably up in price about 20 cents to 30 cents per package, depending on what it was. I think the orange chicken was still the same prices and the barbecue chicken, but everything else I felt like was up like 20 cents. A couple other things. There's some chicken enchiladas and cheese enchiladas. These should be on... yeah, they're on corn tortillas. So Paul, that's why I buy them for Paul. So he could just pick up a quick lunch. He could just take some of these. I did see that I wanted to ask him about was a Mexican style cauliflowered rice. So basically it's just chopped up cauliflower with like jalapenos and tomatoes and some peppers. It looked really good, but also would be a good side for these little quick dishes too. So I need to talk to Paul and see if that'd be something he'd be interested in. But I know, I'm just telling you in case you're interested. And also I picked up some Carne Asada burritos. Now these are on flour tortilla, so I'll probably have to have them or maybe one of the boys, but looks really good. Just picked up some Southwest chopped salad. I thought it would be really good to have as a side when we're having some tacos. Or just making it into like kind of a taco salad even. Yum. And I love pretzels. Sometimes I just want a pretzel. And we do have some nacho cheese in the pantry. Shh. I might need it for these, right? Just picked up some more eggs. I always want to buy more eggs because I bought this. It just barely came in the mail. Has anybody bought one of these before or used one of these? Let me know down below what your thoughts are. I am really excited about using it. I love a medium soft egg, so I'm excited to try. So that's why I'm keeping the eggs. I keep getting them because I want to start making more hard-boiled eggs for the morning. Okay, so this is the last part of my haul. So I wanted to show you some things that I have not gotten before, which I don't know why, but I picked up some of this frozen garlic. So it's crushed, it's ready to go. And as you can see here, it's in 1 cube, which is 1 garlic, 1 clove of garlic. So whenever we're making the chicken fried rice or just fried rice in general, this would be so easy to just pop them right out and put them right in. So I've been using a lot more garlic with a lot of Asian cuisines lately. So I think just having this in the freezer will just be a good go-to. I picked up Paul some gluten-free hamburger buns. Now we have hamburger buns in the back, so I know like he'd be fine with just having it just, you know, bunless. But I think this would be really nice to just have one or whatever for with dinner. And, you know, having gluten-free options is always really nice. So these are kind of pricey because that's how gluten-free is. These were $4 for 4 buns. But we love Paul. So I'm happy to pick them up for him. But I picked up some plain bagels while I was there because, you guys, one of my favorite things is to have a toasted bagel for breakfast, an egg and a slice of cheese in it. It is so good. So I might put these in the freezer and just have them that way I don't have 6 days worth every day of bagels. Like I might have one a week or something, or twice a week or something, because I want this to last and maybe not have so many carbs. But yum, cheese, an egg. If I had bacon or sausage, I could put that on there too. Yum. I picked up just some more of these. I love buying their little snack packs of the trail mixes. And this one's really good because it has like little bits of chocolate in it, like dark chocolate. And so it's really good. I know Paul likes them too. And then I picked up, of course, some granola bars. Now I don't normally pick up these kinds of things, but only at Trader Joe's. So this one is gluten-free for Paul. It's kind of like the Kind bars. And then this one will be for the boys, this chocolate chip one. I think it even has a chocolatey bottom. Wow, that's kind of yummy. Just picked up some milk. As Jonas was asking me for some salsa recently for an activity. So I picked him up some salsa with some tortilla chips in case he has to take some treats. Seems like every week he needs some kind of snack for his church group. I picked up these yummy Dunkers. These ones are like our favorites. Now they have a chocolate chip version, but this one is oatmeal cranberry with a white fudge drizzle. Oh my gosh. Now, so if you're a coffee drinker, these are probably perfect with coffee. I have kids and if it's a cookie and it looks like a cookie, they're gonna devour it. And they're really good. I'll have some too. I just picked up some Spaghettios because I was over in the can section and I feel like I've had these ones before and they were really good. Not just like a tomato base, but it just has a little bit more flavor to it. So I want to try those again. And of course, they had their sweet chili sauce just right above the freezer area, I think it was. And $1.50. You guys, this one is such a good price and we go through lots of this sweet chili sauce now. So it's good. So this is what I bought that I don't normally buy. This corn poblano chowder. It just says that it's got corn and potatoes and peppers basically, and looks delicious. So I'm gonna try that, maybe even see if Paul would like it. Being that it's more dairy based, he may pass on it, but I think I wanna try it for sure. It's one of the things I snuck into the cart were these dark chocolate mint creams. They're kind of like a junior mint. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to hide these. Out of sight, out of mind, maybe for me too. I doubt it. I picked up some taco shells. So when I showed you the chopped salad, I was thinking we could have a taco night, and having some taco shells just seemed like it made sense. Then I picked up these breadsticks to go with the little Italian mozzarella balls that they have in the oil. I could dip this into the oil as well. Yum. Picked up a few of these. These ones are our favorite brown rice pasta. So this is a gluten-free pasta, and I just like to keep them on hand. When I'm making a casserole, I only cook up about a cup of it and add it into the casserole. So it doesn't like have tons of pasta. I like to have more vegetables and stuff in the chicken. But it is really good to have on hand. So you can see we don't use tons. Like I won't cook this whole bag for all of us. It'd be like portions of it. And then the last thing I bought 2 of these. They're super sweet organic frozen corn. I've been buying this for years and years, decades probably. And so I'm getting a little lower on my frozen corn in the freezer. So I just want to make sure that I have some ready to go before I buy a big bag of it again. So that is it, you guys. I bought $133 of stuff. Let me know down below some things that you would like to try sometime, or you're thinking about it, or just that caught your eye. Or let me know some of your favorites from Trader Joe's. Thanks for going with me to do a haul at Trader Joe's. I appreciate all of you. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.